Hello guitar players. If you are a Spark 40 amp owner, then you might experience the following. Sometimes your audio won't connect to the Bluetooth of the Spark amp. Today we're going to tackle that and I'm going to give you a fix. So you connect via your phone or tablet. Your connection is confirmed. You are getting ready to jam by choosing one of your favorite backing tracks, and lo and behold, there is no sound coming out of the Spark 40 amp. It's coming out of your phone or your tablet. However, your guitar is connected. Stay tuned to fix the problem. My name is your consultant. Welcome to my channel. Take a moment to subscribe, leave a comment, and a thumbs up always helps too. Okay, so what is happening is that when we check the Bluetooth connection, we can see that the Spark 40 BLE is connected. That's your amp to the guitar connection, okay? But the Spark 40 audio is not. Connect the Spark audio and you should be ready to jam once again. Why is this happening? Couple of reasons. If you by mistake removed/forget the Spark audio Bluetooth connection, then it won't automatically connect the next time you connect to the amp. Also, one of your devices, phone or tablets, other than the one you're using for your Spark amp might be connected, inhibiting the Spark amp to connect to the audio Bluetooth connection. However, after watching this, you now know how to fix it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.